Welcome to my NeuralText review usage experience. In this video, I'll be diving into the key features of NeuralText, an AI-powered writing platform that's gained popularity for its ability to streamline content creation. If you're interested in trying it out, check the product links in the description below. NeuralText is designed primarily for marketers, content creators, and business owners who want to produce high-quality written content quickly and effectively. It's a versatile tool that's especially useful for those needing SEO-optimized content, blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, and more. Whether you're a blogger, copywriter, or digital marketing professional, NeuralText provides a powerful AI assistant to enhance your writing workflow. One of the standout features is its AI-based content generation. It allows users to create high-quality articles, emails, and even social media posts in just a few clicks. The platform uses advanced machine learning algorithms to produce natural-sounding text that closely resembles human writing. You simply input a brief description or keyword, and NeuralText generates detailed content based on your inputs. Another key feature is SEO optimization. NeuralText doesn't just write, it also ensures that your content is optimized for search engines. It integrates keyword suggestions and helps you craft content that's both relevant and SEO-friendly, making it easier for your articles to rank higher in search results. This is especially beneficial for marketers or businesses looking to improve their online visibility without manually optimizing every piece of content. NeuralText is also incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for anyone, regardless of technical skill. To get started, you can refine the content using built-in tools for style adjustments, tone changes, and more. Plus, there's a built-in content planner to help you organize your writing tasks and maintain consistency. In conclusion, NeuralText is an excellent AI writing tool for anyone looking to save time and improve content quality, especially for SEO-focused projects. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to get started.